Hi everyone, welcome to SK SecOps channel. Today we will be understanding how to set up Docker and its architecture. Let us first discuss about Docker setup. To set up Docker, you should have infrastructure like any server or PC as shown here. Next, on the top of infrastructure, you should have any host operating system like Ubuntu, Linux, and Windows. Once the host operating system is ready, enable virtualization and install Docker. Now the Docker is installed on the host machine, and this is all about Docker setup. And next we will be discussing on Docker architecture. Let us understand about Docker architecture. Imagine a client or a user who is on the left opens a terminal and uses the Docker CLI to issue Docker commands. The Docker commands like Docker build to build the image, Docker run to run the container from that image, and so on. These instructions are passed to the Docker daemon. Now the Docker daemon validates request and checks whether image existed locally or not, and also prepares container configuration. If you see in the diagram on the third step, the Docker daemon checks the image whether it exists locally or not, else it pulls from the Docker registry. And the Docker registry is a central hub to store all the images. Once the image is available in the Docker registry, that image will be downloaded to the host machine. Once the image is downloaded, now the Docker daemon delegates its work to Containerd. Containerd is one special service which is responsible for image management and container lifecycle, which includes start, create, and delete stages, and also responsible for container storage. And finally, Containerd manages and start the container using runc. So again, what is exactly meant by this runc? Runc is the lower level container execution runtime which actually starts the container. So this is all about the Docker architecture and also about the Docker setup. That's all for this video, and thank you so much. If you really like my video, please subscribe, share, and click on the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you.